Yo guys, what's up? Today we're talking about how to get basically tons of free Pokeballs for your Pokemon Go account. As you can see, application Pokemon Go Plus Plus is already installed in my mobile devices. To get tons of free Pokeballs, all to do you must enter amount as you want. So I enter this number. The next step is press generate, and now everything is already generated for our account, so we must wait to complete of this process. After finish, our account is already open. Wait, maybe, I don't know, 1 minute. And okay, as you can see, now I get free Pokeballs, basically unlimited, absolutely for free, because this application Pokemon Go Plus Plus is already working for Android or iOS. So, how to get this application for your mobile devices? It's easy. Follow all instructions in comment section.